Welcome to lecture 12. In this lecture, we'll look at a real-world application for the three mapping extensions that we have learned to program in this course. Here we have a mobile work order system. Now in this system, we have customers that are calling in work orders to the dispatcher. The dispatcher takes a look at each one of the requests coming in and assigns a qualified technician that will then drive to the customer location to work on the problem and fix the problem. We can make use of the three mapping extensions in this mobile work order system quite efficiently. The first extension that we learned to program had the capability of extracting lat-long coordinates from a geotagged photograph. So you can imagine a situation where a customer can actually snap a picture with his smartphone and upload that picture along with the request that he is sending into the company. And our custom extension can extract the lat-long coordinates from the photograph and determine which technician to assign the request based on the location. So you may have certain technicians working in a certain area and other technicians that work in other areas. So your algorithm will be smart enough to assign the technician that's closest to the customer based on the geolocation coordinates received from the geophoto. The second extension we learned to program was a GPS export mechanism. We programmed a SharePoint custom action that the technicians can use to download the assigned work orders to their Garmin GPS devices. And then they can use the Garmin GPS devices to plot the most efficient route to the customer locations. With the third extension, you can develop a Google Map web part that can be used to communicate back to your customers about the status of a certain work order. So maybe you can color code the markers to show the status of the work. So maybe green means the work order has been completed, red means it has not been assigned yet. So you can use the Google Map web part to communicate effectively to your customers about the status of the work orders. So here we see that all three extensions are being put to real-world use in this mobile work order system. I'm sure you can think of a lot more use cases for these three extensions based on your domain experience. And as you saw from the lectures, it's pretty straightforward to incorporate these extensions into your SharePoint development environments. Thank you for taking this course, and I hope you've enjoyed programming SharePoint mapping extensions, and I'm sure your customers will love the geolocation aspect of the extensions and that you would be able to deliver useful solutions based on these extensions.